The side splits, step onto the carriage, take the outside foot to the frame, bend that knee, and then wiggle walk the other foot to the shoulder blocks, opening the arms, stand tall. Press the carriage out and then drag the carriage back in, getting even taller. Press out and lift through the insides, through the inner thighs, through the entire body to drag the carriage home. On the third repetition, you can fold over to pick the flowers, coming up, extend the upper back and the arms, and then close the carriage. Repeat that with the carriage completely closed, no wiggling of the carriage. Opening the arms, and then bend the outside knee to shimmy, wiggle walk the other foot back in. Standing on the carriage, turn towards the springs to turn around and repeat the other side with the twist movement. We'll show this movement from the front for best view of where the arms go. Press the carriage out and then again lift everything in and up. You must be able to drag the carriage all the way home and keep it shut in order to add the variations of here, the twist. Twisting towards the opposite ankle, it's a saw, so you saw off the knee, foot, or ankle. And then come back up, twisting from the waist and not moving the hips. Drag the carriage home and again twist to wring out the waistline and keep the carriage quiet and still, completely closed as you add this second twist. Bend the outside knee, shimmy the other foot back to the center, never jumping or lifting the foot. Step to the center on the carriage and then step down.